our channel Vedantu Commerce. This is your accounts master teacher Sheetal Chaudhary and I hope you all are doing well. So, there's something on your face. क्या है ये? Oh, that is tension. आप लोग term 1 के लेके worried हो. You all are worried for term 1. You don't have notes, no concept clarity, no planning. But don't be worried guys, because we have a big surprise for all of you. So we are starting a new crash course for specially you, and that also at 50% off. Yes, till tomorrow midnight we are providing you all the courses at 50% discount. So jaldi se jao, go to the link given in the description box and use my same code SCPRO and grab the courses at 50% discount. So now it is budget friendly. Jaldi se jao and grab it before this offer ends. So